Paulownia lumber prices. The real price of Paulownia lumber. What $400 to $1,200 actually means. You've heard Paulownia lumber sells for $400 to $1,200 per cubic meter. But what does that actually mean? And why is there such a massive price difference? Today we're breaking down the real economics of Paulownia lumber pricing. I'm standing in front of Paulownia lumber that ranges from $400 to over $1,200 per cubic meter. Same species, dramatically different prices. Let's decode what's really driving these numbers. The price breakdown. Low end, industrial grade. At the bottom, $400 to $600 per cubic meter, we're looking at industrial grade lumber. This is rough sawn boards, often exported in bulk from major production hubs like China's Shandong province. This lumber goes into pallets, packaging, or hidden furniture frames. It's functional, but not pretty. Some low-grade material can even drop to $250 to $400 per cubic meter. At the top end, $800 to $1,200, we're talking grade AA clear lumber. No knots, straight grain, kiln-dried to perfection. This is what goes into musical instruments, luxury furniture, and premium surfboards. The processing, grading, and quality control justify the premium price. What drives the price difference? Grade quality. Factor 1, grade quality. Look at this difference. Industrial grade has knots, irregular grain, maybe some defects. Premium grade is clear, straight grain perfection. Same tree, completely different value. Processing level. Factor 2, processing level. Rough sawn lumber straight from the mill, lower price. Kiln dried, planed, and graded, premium pricing. Edge glued panels can exceed $1,200 per cubic meter because of the labor involved in laminating individual boards into finished panels. Factor 3, wholesale versus retail. Those $400 to $1,200 prices, that's wholesale, bulk orders. Walk into a specialty lumber yard in the US and you're looking at $6 to $9 per board foot. That converts to $2,500 to $3,800 per cubic meter at retail. Market comparison. Let's put Paulownia pricing in context with other lumber species. Industrial Paulownia at $350 to $500 per cubic meter competes with standard white pine at $450 to $700. But premium Paulownia at $800 to $1,200 is still far below black walnut at $2,500 to $4,500 per cubic meter. This is Paulownia's sweet spot, premium performance at mid-range pricing. The investment reality. So what does this mean for investors? If you're growing Paulownia, understanding these price tiers is crucial. Proper silviculture, pruning, spacing, harvesting at the right time can mean the difference between $400 and $1,200 per cubic meter. That's a 300% difference in revenue. But you also need market access. Industrial buyers are easier to find but pay less. Premium markets pay more but require consistent quality and established relationships. Important distinctions. Critical distinction. These prices are for processed lumber, not standing trees. Stumpage prices. What you get for trees on the stump are typically 20 to 30% of lumber prices. Factor in harvesting, transportation, milling, drying, and grading costs, and suddenly that $1,200 per cubic meter lumber might only net you $300 to $400 per cubic meter at the farm gate. The bottom line. So yes, Paulownia lumber does sell for $400 to $1,200 per cubic meter, but that range reflects massive differences in quality, processing, and market channels. Success in Paulownia isn't just about growing fast trees. It's about understanding markets, managing quality, and positioning your product in the right price tier. Now it's your turn. The Paulownia market is real, but it's not as simple as the headline numbers suggest. What questions do you have about Paulownia economics? Drop them in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into paulowniatree agricultural investments. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call time to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com.